koneru. Koneru is mean knee. So when you want to create or you want to make the candy, or you want to make some sweets, in that time you can use the word koneru to help explain or to help explain the process of how to make a candy or a sweet. So you can use koneru is mean knead. And in here we have the example like nandomo konemasu. Nandomo konemasu. Nandomo konemasu is mean knead something repeatedly. Nando is mean repeatedly. Nandomo is mean do many things, do something repeatedly, right? So konemasu is mean knead. So it mean knead something repeatedly. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, and do repeatedly. So we say like nandomo konemasu, which means knead something repeatedly. And when we make the knead, or we use the koneru, it means we actually, when we create or when we make the sweet or the candy, so in Japanese style they will use the koneru to explain for how to make the candy.